Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Just before I go ahead and get started, please drop me a like and a subscribe. We're so close to hitting 500 subscribers, and I'm going to be doing a free giveaway when we do hit 500 subscribers. So yeah, if you're not subscribed already, make sure you smash that subscribe button and drop a like. So you might be wondering, why on earth are you still wearing the exact same clothes as you were in your last video? That's because I've just finished filming the last video and now I'm starting this week's video. So I don't think you guys actually still know what car it is. Yeah, because I told you to guess, didn't I? So the car I'm currently sat in, which is what I went out and bought, is a Subaru Impreza Gf8 2-litre non-turbo. So that's obviously the classic rally shape, and it's a wagon. It's an estate, if you'd like to call it. I mean, yeah, I'm not really going to talk too much about this car because that'll be another video, but I thought today I managed to source a WRX back box, and I don't think it's going to fit because looking into it, the flanges are a little bit different. So the one on mine is straight, but the one on the WRXs are a bit tilted, bent, I don't know what you want to call it. So I am going to have to chop and re-weld that flange for it to fit my car, but it is just going to be a back box delete just to get a bit more sound out of it. I'm not really too arsed about getting more performance. Obviously, being a non-turbo, you can only do bits and bobs to get a few more horsepower out of it, but it's just purely for the sound. Now, being a non-turbo, I don't think it's got unequal length headers, so obviously you're not going to get that Subaru rumble, which I'm a bit disappointed about, because obviously the whole point of having a Subaru is, you know, you get the main rumble with it. But these cars do have two cats in, so you got your main cat and your pre-cat, or the other way around. Them two will still be in. This is just a back box delete, so it's not going to be stupid loud, but it will have a bit more aggressive rumble to it. But yeah, we're just going to get the car up in the air. I'm going to show you underneath what I'm going to unbolt, and then hopefully I'm going to get the flange welded, and then we'll put the new back box on. But yeah, this video is just installing the exhaust, and then I think after this I'm going to actually fully review the car and tell you all the specs and all the details and everything, but this is just a quick brief overview. So yeah, let me get the car up and we'll go and look underneath. Before video, so I'm gonna have to chuck the old exhaust back on just so I can get before video. I've got to take it off, then I've got to chuck the new one on, so through the power editing you're not gonna have to wait, but yeah, here we go. Right, so I've got the back box on, but I don't know, it just sits a bit low for my liking, but I think that's just because the flange was welded a little bit off. So I managed to force it on, like, but I'll show you what it sits like. So as you can see, there's a big gap between this, but I'm going to try and get that flange re-welded, all these hangers lifted up, and that side's currently held on by some cable because this side just would not reach the hanger. So yeah, it does have a bit of a gap, but let's start up and see how she sounds. So I have no idea where my outro went. I think it got corrupted somewhere, but yeah, it's pretty much done and dusted. It's not really as loud as I wanted it to be, and it don't really have that Subaru rumble, but that means that I'm going to have to go out and buy some stainless steel unequal length headers, which is what I'm going to be installing next week, so stay tuned for that. If you've not already liked the video, please smash the like video. We are very close to 500 subscribers, literally like 15 subscribers off, so let's try and push and smash that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.